up in the RT garage. We buy the dyno and we're going to do some calls and see if we can get the tune dialed in for Sunday. So there's nothing else really to do but to get to it, see where the first tune's at, and we'll go from there. Week out of an injector, hopefully that's fixed. Nope, still no boost. Alright, so let's give it a rundown. Wouldn't make any more than 4 psi. When I tested the gate with a compressor, it opened around 15-17 psi. Should be no back pressure issues. 3-inch dump, it was dumped right after the dump. So no mufflers or anything restricting it, nothing collapsed. I played with timing, I played with fuel. Basically I put it down to cam timing. Now when I pulled it out of Gun 38T's motor, which is the one there, which has now got my camshaft in, same one that's an EcoJet. I got a second one ordered so I can have that basically all ready to go. Yeah, so I've got cam timing to change, pulled it out. From what I can work out, it might be like 10 degrees advanced, maybe 8, something stupid. I'm gonna put it to dot, turn it over by hand, make sure everything clears, like piston to valve wise, and then run it like that. And hopefully we should see some more boost out of it. I probably won't get it back to the dyno before Sunday. It's Tuesday now. I just came from dyno with my mate Tom with his Turbo OS. Might throw a video here of it on the dyno. And yeah, so I got home yesterday, ripped the front off, as you can see there. So now I just got to take the cam gear off, take the oil pump and everything, set this dot to dot, to retime it, and then get it all back together, start it, see how we are. So I'm not going to film that, you guys don't need to see that, but once it's all back together and done, and once I go to start it, I'll get you guys back on. The idle's obviously going to change because the cam timing, so the overlap and everything will change, so idle's going to sound different, and see how much it smooths out. But yeah, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So I'm going to carry on and get this done, and we'll come back to you guys soon.
chasm of celestial dark. Takes your living breath, shaky and uncertain. You saw the force contained, only by their